Alright, so I kind of decided to do a comparison video on the Stihl to the Dewalt 20 volt. This is the Stihl BGA 45. You can check the battery right here. You plug this in right back here. This also has a key to operate. Compared to that Dewalt, it seems to blow a lot better. Anything you're blowing. That is the Stihl. The downside, it has a 1.5 AH battery built in. The Dewalt, you can take it out and put in a different one. This one, it does blow better. It only lasts, say, 10 minutes running continuous. Still very simple design. Push forward, put your hand down, click. Kind of just like the Dewalt. Click, click, blow. This does have the battery meter, but all the Dewalt batteries that we have that little meter on them, built on them. So you just press the button and you see it. You don't need the device taking up any space. To plug it in here, you have to plug it directly into the cord. So for power, for a garage, I would say the Stihl is better for the power. But for battery, I'd say that Dewalt 20 volt is the Dewalt 20 volt leaf blower. They definitely comparable to the 60 volt are a lot weaker. Do a video on that compared to the 60 volt. I would definitely purchase the 60 volt if you had the money. The cheaper option is this Dewalt. Takes the 20 volt batteries. Right here is how you control it. Lock it. Does not have the battery gauge. You just pull the trigger. Very simple design. I'd say it is weaker than even the Stihl leaf blower. That is the 20 volt Dewalt. Definitely a lot weaker than that 60 volt. If you have the money, buy the 60 volt.